Unmanned Aerial Vehicles UAVs, which is also called as drones, is a revolutionary achievement. Drones, as small as a bee or as large as a charter flight, can be navigated by a remote ground control station or GCS, eliminating the need for a human pilot on board. When equipped with a camera, drones have tremendous proficiency to be used for surveillance, transportation, and intelligence purposes. While there are essentially two types of drones, one is military drones and commercial drones. In today's episode of Logistically Speaking, I will be discussing commercial drones and their application in port operations. The drone logistic and transportation market is projected to register a CAGR of over 15% by 2026, with North America being the largest market and the Asia Pacific being the fastest growing. The COVID-19 pandemic, in fact, emerged as a key market accelerator. In the previous episode, we discussed emerging market trends in logistics with emphasis on technology and customer experience. Drone tech is a development that incorporates both these aspects and has game-changing application in port operation. India has an extensive coastline spanning 7,516 kilometers, and this makes port management tricky given the sheer amount of traffic every day and goods being loaded and unloaded daily. Port operations on a regular day is labor intensive, complex, and involve high financial stakes. The use of drones can address these challenges to make port operations more efficient. And here is how. Number one, vessel traffic management. A critical aspect of port operations, vessel traffic management can get extremely complicated and safety sensitive, where even a tiny error can be fatal or cause wreckage at the port zones. A legacy model, the Vessel Traffic Management System, which is VTMS, situated at the port signaling station, is dependent exclusively on radar information and human inputs to make operational decisions. This challenge can be addressed by deploying a robust network of drones to monitor cargo vessels on an ongoing basis to provide a real-time update to the controller. Artificial intelligence inbuilt in drones can relay timely information of crucial features for operators to schedule ship movement and foresee collisions and exercise caution. In smaller and narrower zones, drones can support ground-based port operations as well as at sea navigation, helping navigate ship to ports. Number two, environmental and disciplinary aspects. The shipping industry has a huge carbon footprint leading to marine pollution. Shipping currently accounts for 2% of global carbon dioxide emissions and could rise to 15% if left unchecked. Replacing boat deliveries with drones can be beneficial to deal with pollution and climate change. Drones can be used for environmental surveillance where their onboard sensors and high-resolution cameras can be used to detect and report any environmental or disciplinary breaches by ships. Aquatic drones can reach underwater depth of up to 150 meters and can be used to collect accurate data on the condition of the underwater infrastructure of the ports crucial for repair and maintenance. And number three, maritime search and rescue. Though the Navy and Coast Guard are specialized in these roles, drones can be deployed for complicated search and rescue efforts. Drones' efficiency in disaster management can be taken to a whole new level when the autonomous skills of drones are further streamlined. A drone equipped with the VIDAR or visual detection and ranging can spot hundreds of items at sea in a diverse condition and can detect smaller objects such as stationary jet skis and buoys at 5 nautical miles. Number 4. inventory supervision, and human well-being. Due to the restricted availability of berth for cargo ships and time restrictions levied by high traffic, consistent and efficient human effort is required for moving and accounting for inventory. Drones can carry out automatic warehouse inventories without disrupting normal operations, which is requiring nominal human contribution. It can easily calculate bulk volumetric mass inventory effortlessly while navigating a warehouse. At ports, where loading and offloading of goods is a massive manual task, drones can account for monitoring human safety by carrying out tasks such as rooftop and crane inspections. Smart drones can be further programmed to predict and prevent accidents arising from human fatigue or negligence. This can help in identifying potentially dangerous situations and preparing for quick rescue during emergencies. Number 5. Afloat replenishment and delivery. In port operations, it can be hard to estimate which ship will be docked next. Even at the seaport, it can be complicated and expensive to deliver items to vessels when they are not near the dock. The use of drone technology can speed up deliveries and cut down last mile delivery. The response rate and turnaround time can be sped up by 6x, and it can be potential to lower short to ship delivery cost by up to 90% in some ports. Further, the risk of boarding, deboarding accidents can be substantially reduced. And number 6, security and surveillance. Seaports are constantly exposed to various risks and are under constant threats, including illicit trade, accidents, and terrorist attack. A single incident can paralyze port operation to the extent of bringing the entire economy to a halt. Drones can help improve security and safety at ports. Cameras on drones can be programmed to constantly capture images and videos of sensitive zones, giving regular and real-time update to identify a security breach or an accident. To summarize, in collaboration with governments, novel technology like drones can be enforced to be able to respond more quickly to incidents and create a safer and more efficient port management system. This will allow automation of field work and provide a deeper understanding of the marine environment in a way that is significantly advanced from what's currently in use. Port of Antwerp has been a pioneer in implementing this technology to manage and monitor operations, and we hope to see more countries taking advantage of this technology to modernize and upgrade complex port operations. I hope you found today's episode informative. For more such industry update, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again next week. Thank you.